Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful, interesting ponytail hairstyle. So we are using liquid hairspray Shamuratov products champion edition, and we are combing with a massage brush, and then we are doing ponytail very tight. Then we are taking some hair and start wrapping very gently and very tight way, so the ponytail should stand up. And we are also releasing some hair, because then we will have this beautiful volume, and as you can see it's gonna be big and interesting without back comb. And then we are cleaning up on the top and brushing it very gently and making them together. Then you can pull some hairs and make beautiful liners and make it more transparent and breezy hair texture. And as I'm starting doing this interesting liners, kind of looks round or curled, and it's very easy to work with the Champion Edition hairspray Shamuratov product because it holds very well and it's not sticky and it's instantly holds. It's very fast and it's very efficient, clever way. So what do you think, guys? Do you like it or do you love it? Leave a comment below.